Sir, coming to the very important topic of surgery, this section, and जैसे कि हम ये देख रहे हैं, I think picture says a lot. It says that facial feminization surgery. Sir, I think it's a very emotional topic also that somebody wants to convert himself or herself. So first, I really want to know the emotional connection जो आप इनकी journey से गुजरते हैं. When you meet them, वो आपके साथ आके क्या बात करते हैं और what is your emotional intake on that? Correct. How do you counsel them?
Gender reassignment surgeries are not easy surgeries, and ये decision itself is a big decision. किसी को ऐसे लगना कि I am a male and I want to become a female, or I am a female wanting to become a male, can't really be an easy decision for that person. Plus the fact that I am yet to see more than 1 or 2 patients जिनके family ने उनको ये decision में support किया होगा. For a parent, you can't imagine how difficult it must be for them to accept. So whenever patients come to me for these surgeries, I always tell them that look, when you opt for a gender reassignment surgery, it is like jumping off a cliff. You can't come back. So please be absolutely sure in your mind that this is what you want to do. Whatever emotional support is needed, we always try to connect patients who have already undergone this surgery so that they have like a support system. We have a lot of NGOs who are working with gender reassignment persons, and they have WhatsApp groups or they have counseling sessions where they can actually meet a person who has done this process, because it is not a simple step and it's a combination of multiple surgeries. Like if you think in terms of male to female, there are 3 main surgeries. The first would be creation of breast by putting silicone implants. The second is creation of a vagina, and the third is of course facial feminization, because face is what the society knows you by. So unless you change your face from a male face to a female face, how will you integrate with your society?
Correct.
So all these are technically challenging, demanding, and of course moderately expensive surgery.
I think it's a very difficult decision of life, and
sure.
How do you support this as a doctor? Because I'm sure somebody comes to you, you have to do, but how do you support this?
I am very neutral in these discussions, and neither do I tell a patient that no, it's a easy surgery, go for it. Neither do I tell them that okay, it is impossible, you can't do it. See, my job in this is as a facilitator. That once you have made a decision that okay, you want to do it, I can show you the road by which you can travel.
I think it's one life, और सबको जीने का हक है, और जिसका it's like we are here to provide the right knowledge and right guidance, and rest is like how they want to live and how they want to perceive the world. So I think that the kind of image that I see here, it's a tremendous that
And there are a lot of people who, not only from India, there are a lot of people who come from abroad, from so many distant countries, that I myself am amazed that so many people want to go for these surgeries, and there is so much awareness.
The acceptance is there now. I think world is changing, time is changing, people are more acceptable about this, and the best part is right now just mentioned that people are coming from abroad here to do this. So tell me more about this gender reassignment surgery. What is that? It has I'm sure a lot of things are.
As I said, it's a vast spectrum. It is not one single surgery. It's a combination of multiple surgeries. Now, for example, when it is a male to female transformation, the surgeries are different, and vice versa, from female to male. Now, before starting any transformation surgery, the person is put on hormonal replacement, so that whatever are the original hormones in the body, be it the male hormone testosterone or be it the female hormone estrogen, वो हार्मोन्स को कंट्रोल में लाया जाता है, एंड अपोजिट सेक्स के हार्मोन्स दिए जाते हैं, जिससे एक फीमेल में फेशियल ग्रोथ आना शुरू हो जाता है हेयर का, एंड वाइस वर्सा मेल का हेयर ग्रोथ कम हो जाता है, सो दैट इट ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट्स टू देयर जर्नी इन द सोसाइटी. When we plan a male to female transformation, the first surgery is creation of breast by doing silicone implants. Second surgery is always the creation of vagina surgery. Now there are so many myths that people have about this surgery, that whether I'll be able to have children after this, whether I'll be able to live like a normal female. The answer is no. These organs are only for cosmesis. they will only look like organs of the opposite sex. They don't have any functional importance. So creation of a vagina will not allow you to have any children because there is no uterus, no ovaries. So this scientific knowledge people don't have.
Mumbai, beautiful city of dreams. यहाँ हर कोई सुंदर दिखना चाहता है, बनना चाहता है और रहना चाहता है। मैं रोजपुरी एज ए ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट एंड स्किन एक्सपर्ट इसी सुंदरता की चाह की खोज में एक शख्स से मिली जो है डॉक्टर पराग टेलान। वेलकम टू द शो, जिसका नाम है कॉस्मेटिक टेल्स विद मी रोजपुरी एंड डॉक्टर पराग टेलान।
So this scientific knowledge people don't have. The third step is then after this is the facial transformation. Again, creation of a facial surgery from a male to female is different, from a female to male is different. There are certain features of our face which are different, right from the skeleton. Male ka skeleton or female ka skeleton are totally different. So how to create a female face out of a male face is a challenge. Of course, a lot of patients come with some photographs of celebrities, of people they like to follow, and they want to make changes to look like that person. That also can be done at the same time. So again, for a facial surgery, we start with changing the shape of the forehead, changing the shape of the eyes, changing shape of the nose, changing shape of the cheeks, lips, chin, the jawline. Everything can be done. So again, it's a combination of 8 to 10 different surgeries which is
Because
which
it's
is
a
performed.
gender reassignment we're talking about. It's just not
It's a
talking
big,
about it.
yeah, it's a big surgery.
It's a big surgery. You're changing somebody's life.
Yeah,
And I mean, like, they can't go back to that.
correct. And it also requires the patient also have to that much commitment to this process. Any surgery, for example, creation of a vagina, requires the person to keep that area clean. There is something called as insertion of a dilator which is required so that the vaginal cavity remains intact. So it is not only me who can take you through the step. It is, I would say, it's a 50-50 thing. I can do 50% of your work, but rest 50% has to be from that person.
So how many surgeries are time span? What is the time span, do you think, if it's a gender
Normally,
reassignment?
if a person starts to make the complete transformation, I would say it will take around 2 years to finish all the steps. in this
2
transformation.
good years to become one person.
Yeah. So it is a lot of investment. Investment not only in terms of emotions, in terms of money, in terms of everything.
And people lose.
People do it, yes.
And they're ready, they're happily doing it. I think again it's a very vast topic that we
It
should
is
not
each
judge.
individual's decision. We are not
Individuals.
in the profession to
Judge
judge
that.
them or
Yeah.
to question the why behind.
Yes.
We are to provide them the scientific basis of doing what they want.
And just to give the right knowledge, right guidance, like, this is what exactly we are doing here. Before any operations, trans women typically go through hormonal replacement therapy, as known as HRT, and differing on the age at which HRT begins, such as facial hair removal. Gender reassignment. There are many people who suffer from the gender dysphoria. ये बहुत ही एक इमोशनल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल जर्नी है. लोगों को इसमें लगता है कि दे आर ट्रैप्ड इन द रॉन्ग जेंडर, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इमोशनल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल जर्नी. Here in designer bodies, Dr. Parag understand the emotional needs and prepare them mentally and psychological for this procedure, because it's a combination of surgery. So इसलिए it's very important to understand the emotional needs and prepare them.